Right, here we are, XF Jag 2008. I just bought it last week. There are a couple of little things I got to do on it. First thing I've done was the front bumper, which I'll show the video on that later on. But at the moment I'm concentrating on the air vents, they're not working. So what must happen is when you start it up, handle comes up and the vents are supposed to open, which they're not. So they're not opening. So I'm going to see about doing that today. Apparently you got to take the passenger side panel out there, and there's some wiring behind there which you disconnect. So I'm going to try that today and see what I can do with it, and maybe do some settings on the dash. I don't know, so I'm just going by what I've seen on the internet. So you'll see what happens, and I'll update the video as I go. Okay, thanks. Right, I got them working. It wasn't that down there after. I looked at it, that didn't work. So I went to screen settings. I found it on screen settings. So check this out. There you go. Perfect. The only problem is that wasn't working. So I've looked online. You can buy a part from. So it's just like a little part that take it out and fix it. So that's the only issue. But yeah, that's better. So that's that. But yeah, just went into settings, and you press that down there. You press that to turn them off. There, it turns them off. And then press again and opens them up. But I didn't know that. But anyways, if anybody else has the same issue, that's what you do. You go into those settings there, press the aircon settings over there. Get that back. Always open auto. What that is about? I don't know. Maybe that's auto vents. So I suppose you press that, they stay open, and then go to auto. That obviously opens them automatically. So that's that. What's that there? That's probably the temperature. But yeah, anyway, so just go back on that. So you go into that setting there, and so you turn them off and more there. Off them, so they're off and they shut. That one's still not working, but that's no problem. I get that fixed. And then again, open them up. That's just cool looking, that, isn't it? So anyway, so that's what it is. So if you have the same issue, they're not opening, go into your settings and you find it. But yeah, so I'm happy there now. Buzzing, very pleased. That's it for now, and you'll see what else I can fix.